I'm Lubricant from Nature Labs USA. I am the CEO and co-founder of Nature Labs Brands. Today I'm talking to you about Naturally Yours, a carrageenan-based lubricant, water-based. This is the only kosher and vegan lubricant on the market. We are a food-grade lubricant. It comes in 8 varieties in 4-ounce and 8-ounce bottles. Natural unflavored. And then we have 7 naturally flavored products. This one here is pineapple coconut. Each one of the flavors are 2 flavored blends. They are all natural. So this is a really great product if you're looking for a very clean, vegan, kosher product. Boutique line. This is a really good product.